Hello students, in last video we came to know resonance structures. Okay, resonance structures also called as what? Canonical structures. Now let us discuss resonance energy. Now for that understanding, here I am drawing some resonance structures of benzene. I am taking the energy profile here. So I am going to draw the two structures of benzene. This is the first structure and this is the another structure. Okay, now if you see the difference, here I am writing here labeling as a carbon 1 2 3 4 5, here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now here if you see, I just am moving the white. Already I told while writing the resonance structure you have to move only the white pi bonds and lone pair, not the atom. So here in the both the cases the position of carbon is same, isn't it? This I am assuming as a first structure, this is as a what? Second structure. Now after that I am writing the word here resonance hybrid. Okay, this is the word resonance hybrid, means it is going to represent the word two structures in a one structure. Okay, this is resonance hybrid and this circle indicating what? Pi bond. Okay, now here what is the here what? The resonance the energy of actual structure of the molecule or the resonance hybrid is lower than that of the any canonical structure. Now here if you see, the here what, this is the energy increasing order. Okay, among these three structures, okay, this is indicating means what? We have the lowest energy, nothing but this is what? Resonance hybrid. This is a what? Hybrid. Hybrid means what? It is indicating all the structure in one structure. Okay, so this having the lower energy. Why? Because means it is present in the lower, means here this is what? Increasing order of energy. So this having the what? Less energy. So the energy of actual structure of the molecule, the resonance hybrid, nothing but is lower than that of any canonical structure. So here you can see it having the less energy. Now what is the resonance energy? Means the difference in energy between the actual structure and the lowest energy resonance structure is called resonance energy, or simply resonance energy. Okay, stabilization energy or resonance energy. Now here if you see the difference between these two, okay, here the what? Resonance hybrid, and so here in between, here in the resonance structure, this one second one having the what? Lowest energy. Now the energy between these two, nothing but what? The difference in energy between the actual structure, nothing but resonance hybrid, and the lowest energy resonance structure. Now here we have the two resonance structures. Among these, this one having the first lowest energy. Now difference between these two is called what? Stabilization energy, or simply you can call as what? Resonance energy.